Hello from the Boynton Beach City Library. I'm Christina. Today I will show you how to make a felt succulent terrarium. These can add a little life to your decorations and are very easy to take care of. Supplies include small decorative box, felt succulent patterns, rocks, small rubber bands, clear acetate plastic, double stick tape, fake moss, scissors, and a ruler. There are many kits available online that have everything you need. This kit included chalk to add color to the finished succulents. Let's get started. Start by folding the plastic to fit in the decorative box. Apply double stick tape to the 3 tabs and secure to the box. Now add the rocks, filling in the pocket created by the plastic. To make a succulent, start with the smaller end. Begin rolling, keeping the roll snug. To keep the felt even and create a flat bottom, press the bottom against the table. Secure with a rubber band and fluff out the petals. If the succulent pattern does not have a smaller end, choose any end to start with. Once the 2 succulents are finished, arrange them in the rocks. Use the double stick tape to make moss balls. Cut a long strip of tape at least 12 inches long. Roll the tape into a ball. And then roll the ball into the fake moss. Use the moss balls for extra decoration in the terrariums. In the information below this video is a PDF of succulent patterns, and all other supplies can be found at a craft store. And we're done! Display your terrariums any way you like. Thanks for watching!